The Astro AI 150 PSI digital tire gauge is the perfect car accessory for your toolbox or car's glove compartment. Its simple and lightweight design means it can travel anywhere you need it to go, whether you're measuring tires for cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and bicycles. Even in darkness, this gauge shines bright with its integrated lighted nozzle for increased visibility in roadside emergencies. Precise results are displayed on a clear, backlit LCD screen that always returns a reading within 100% of the exact pressure of your tire. This gauge's ergonomic design makes it easy to use, especially when selecting between 4 different units of pressure for your most ideal reading. This automotive accessory is programmed to increase its battery life with an auto-off function. A 1-year warranty is provided by Astro AI for additional peace of mind. This digital tire gauge keeps your vehicles operating smoothly and safely for all of life's adventures.
The speaker itself is really compact, making it perfect for throwing into a bag and taking wherever you may need it. On top, there are buttons that let you answer or decline phone calls, adjust the volume, pause or play tracks, and skip to next or previous songs. Down on one end, there's a power button that lifts up to reveal the charging port and a reset button, whilst on the other there's an output for the bass port. Setting up the Big Magic Box speaker is straightforward, and thanks to Bluetooth 4.0 it gives it a really reliable connection. But how does it sound? Well, surprisingly good. A built-in microphone lets the Big Magic Box act as a speakerphone. When I was testing this feature out, I could hear whoever I was talking to perfectly, with people on the other end of the line reporting that my voice sounded crystal clear. The Big Magic Box houses a 4000 mAh battery, which means it's good to go for around 12 hours of continuous use, depending on the volume of course.
eTech City's Voltson Smart Wi-Fi outlet is for anyone and everyone. If you're responsible, it's for you. Tap away to manage everything. If you're forgetful, even better. The technique is the same. All you need is the free VSync app and connection to a typical 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. No hub or other clunky extra accessories required. Setup and installation are easy, and the connection is stable. While the Voltson adds a smart upgrade to your home, it doesn't matter how old or new your appliances are. Every ordinary lamp will still turn on at your scheduled command. And every treasured extraordinary lamp will turn off as it's timed to do. VSync collects valuable info through every plug, so you can track power consumption and save on energy costs. There are a number of specific functions to take advantage of. With Away Mode, have your outlet turn on and off at random while you're away to give the appearance that someone's at home. With Energy Saving Mode, set a maximum dollar amount so that an appliance doesn't cost you more than you've allowed. Power Protection helps prevent an appliance from being damaged by power spikes. For even more convenience, have VSync and Voltson work with Alexa or Google Home Assistant. VSync also supports IFTTT applets. Whatever your style, we're fairly certain all these fine details add up when you're running a busy home. We'd be surprised if Voltson outlets couldn't help you out a little.
Alexa, order eTech City Voltson Wi-Fi smart outlets.
Build on better living with eTech City. Visit the VSync Facebook community to share your ideas, enter giveaways, grab troubleshooting help, and more.
The new and improved Bestrix CM12 magnetic car mount provides your smartphone with extra safety and convenience and is compatible with all types of vehicles. It can be easily installed on any smooth surface dashboard. Clean the dashboard surface with a wet towel and wait for it to dry. Place the screw nut onto the ball head. Fit the magnetic head onto the ball head and push until you hear a click. Turn the screw nut counterclockwise to adjust and lock the magnetic head. Choose the optimal location for your convenience. Adjust the mount's arm angle and magnetic head before locking the suction cup. Remove the protective paper from the gel pad. Press down the suction cup's base to remove all air from underneath. While pressing the suction cup's base down, move the locking lever into lock position. Place the metal plate between your phone and your case, or you can stick it directly onto your phone or case. Now you can attach your phone to the magnetic head. You can place it at any angle you choose. To detach the phone, simply pull it off the magnetic mount. To renew the suction of the cup, simply rinse it under warm water and dry.